Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Klaviyo for email onboarding to your app, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Klaviyo website. Click on the sign up button. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password and confirm it. Select create account to proceed. Next, you will need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Klaviyo. Click on the verification link provided in the email. Once verified, return to the Klaviyo login page. Log in using your email and password. After logging in, you will be prompted to fill out your account information. Provide your company name and website URL. Select your primary industry from the drop-down menu. Fill in the other required fields as needed. Once done, click on Continue. Next, you will be taken to the Klaviyo dashboard. Here, locate the Integrations tab in the sidebar. Click on Integrations to explore available options. Search for your app or platform in the integration list. Follow the instructions to connect Klaviyo to your app. After integration, set up your first email list. Click on Lists and Segments in the sidebar. Select Create List and name your list appropriately. Next, create an email sign-up form. Click on Forms and choose Create Form. Follow the prompts to customize your sign-up form. Once designed, click Publish to make it live. After that, set up your welcome email automation. Navigate to the Flows section in the sidebar. Select Create Flow and choose the welcome email template. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.